So today we perform the practical number 4, that is construction exclusive gates using universal gates of digital technique subject of SYENTC. Mainly two types of exclusive gates, that is XOR gates and XNOR gates. These two gates can be designed by using a NAND and NOR gates, that is universal gates. So first we see the design of XOR gates using NAND gates. So in this diagram, here is the input of A combined to each other, so we get output A bar. Similarly, these gates input B combined to each other, so we get B bar. So in this gate, input is A bar, second input is B, so we get output A bar into B and total bar. And also here is the input is A, our second input is B bar, we get output A into B bar and total bar. Now these two outputs we again given to the next NAND gates, that is we get output Y is equal to first input, that is A bar, B into B its bar into A into B bar its bar and its totally bar. Now we can solve this equation by using De Morgan's theorem. We get A bar into B plus A into B bar. So this is the equation of XOR gates. So we can verify this on XOR gate truth table, that is if input is 0 0, output is 0, input is 0 1, output is 1, input is 1, output is 0, output is 1, if both inputs is 1, output is 0. Now next we can design XNOR gate using NAND gates. Here is the input A and input B. So here we get output A B bar. Now this A B bar given to the 2 and 3 NAND gates input. So we get here A into bracket A B bar and totally bar. Same here, input is B, second input is A B bar. So we get A B bar and totally bar. Now this 2 and 3 NAND gates output given to the 4 number NAND gates, we get A XOR B. We can solve this, we get A XOR bits. Again we combine both inputs and given to the NAND gates, we get A plus B bar, B totally bar, that is equal to the A XNOR B. So we get equation of XNOR gates. So we can verify truth table, if input is 0 0, output is 1, if input is 0 1, output 0, if input is 1 0, output 0, if input is 1 1, then output is 1. Now we can design XOR gate using NOR gate. So input is A and B, so this is first NOR gate, we get A plus B bar. Now here second NOR gate, input is A, second input is A plus B bar, we get A plus bracket A plus B bar and totally bar. Similarly third NAND gate, input is B and second input is A plus B bar, we get B plus A plus B bar and totally bar. Again we 2 and third output given to the input for fourth NOR gate. So we get A into A XNOR B. Now we combine these two inputs and given to the 5 number, we get A XOR B. That is equation of XOR gate. We can solve this by using truth table. We know that truth table is 0 0, then output is 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. And then last the XNOR gate design using NOR gate. So here is a 1 NOR gate, input is A and B, we get A plus B bar. Same is 2, input is A, second input is A plus B bar, and the output of second NOR gate is A plus bracket A plus B bar totally bar. Same third NOR gate, input is B, second input is A plus B bar, we get B plus bracket A plus B bar and totally bar. Now 2 and 3 output of NOR gate we give into the input for fourth NOR gate. Now we get output Y XNOR B. If you can solve this De Morgan's using, we get A XNOR gate with B. Now we can this verify on truth table XNOR gate, that is input is 0 0, output is 1. If input is 0 1, output is 0. If input is 1 0 0 and input is 1 1, then output is 1 1. So this is theory of XOR and XNOR gate by using NAND and NOR gate. Now we can see the demonstration of this experiment on the gate. Now we performing the XOR gate using NAND and NOR. First we perform the XOR gate using NAND. So input A, input B. So we make connection as per diagram. So input A giving to the pin number 1, input B giving to the pin number 2. Now pin number 1 giving to the pin number 4, pin number 2 giving to the pin number 13. Now output of first, that is pin number 3 giving to the pin number 5. Also 3 pin giving to the pin number 12. Now pin number 6, here is pin number 6 giving to the pin number 9, pin number 11 giving to the 10 number, and output is 8, and we take the output. Now this is we make connection as per the diagram. Now check the truth table. 0 0 output is 0, 0 1 output is 1, 1 0 output is 1, and 1 1 output is 0. That is we performing the XOR gate and verify the truth table. Now we performing the XNOR gate using NOR gate. Input A, input B. We make connection as per circuit diagram. So input giving to the 2 number, 3 number, output is 1 number giving to the pin number 6. Then A giving to the 5 number. Then output 4 number la we giving to the 8 number. Now input B giving to the 12 number. Now 1 pin number we make connection, pin number 12. Now we make connection pin number 11 and 6 pin number we make short. Now next pin number 9 and pin number 13, and the output is pin number 10. Now we connect the output, and now we verify the truth table of XNOR gate. So check if input is 0 0, output is 1. If input is 0 1, output is 0. If input is 1 0, output is 0 0. If input is 1, output is 1 1. And if input is 1 0, output is 0. If input is 1 1, output is 1. That is we performing the truth table of XNOR gate.